got him to eat it twice, and I've missed him both times. I think I got it down now though. Yeah, I got her now. Hopefully I change worms and I can get her right now. That was close. Got it. Finally. Oh man, that's a good one. That was worth it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't break. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, was that an hour right there? Oh man, that was worth it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I've had nothing so far. I was like, I might as well spend my time on these. Yeah, on to the next one after this. This is a good one right here. Real good one. Now I kind of know what they want now. No, so it's we have like a ruler board. So we take a picture of it on the ruler board and it goes by inches. Yeah, so right here I have it down here on my board. No, so it's all length. Yeah, so we measure it with a measuring board. We set her on there, we take a picture of her on there, and then the 5 length at the end of the day instead of weight. She was 19 and a half. Yeah, not bad at all.